In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a printer using its IP address. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you do have that printer's IP address and that your PC is connected to the exact same network as that printer. From here, we can go ahead and get started. What you're going to want to do is go all the way down and select the search bar and type in control panel just like so and open it up. In this option, you're going to want to select hardware and sound, and then from here, go ahead and select devices and printers just like so. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different options in here. Go ahead and specifically go into the devices option and scroll down and you're going to see a more devices and printer settings. Go ahead and open that up to bring up the full printer settings window. From here, you're going to see an option to add printer up in the top left. Go ahead and select that, and when it searches, go ahead and select the printer that I want wasn't as listed. From here, you're going to see an option that says add a printer using an IP address or a host name. Go ahead and select that and hit next. And from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in the printer's IP address or paste it in if you did copy it, and then hit next. And what it's going to do, and let's just say I type in some random numbers here real quick, is contact the printer. Now, if you typed it in correctly, it's going to automatically detect and install the printer. Once you do see that confirmation, just hit finish and you can now print directly to that printer on the network. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.